Hello guys, my name is Ravindra. Welcome to my channel Code of Duty. In this video I will show you how you can convert one specific URL to QR code. Okay, so let's head over to new tab and paste this line. Don't worry, you can find this line in description. Just simply copy paste from there and hit enter. As soon as you hit the enter, you will see this line, enable sharing page via QR code. Here in your case it might be default or disabled, so make sure that you have selected the enabled. Once you select the enabled, it will ask you to relaunch the browser. Just simply click on relaunch browser. So in my case it is already enabled, so I don't need to do that. Just make sure that it is enabled. Okay, now let's try out one example. Let's say this is a URL and I want to convert into QR code. Here you can just click on the middle button over here. Once you click over here, and then after that click on this middle button, here you can see the QR code has been generated for this specific URL. Now on your Android phone, you can use QR code scanner to scan this QR code, and once you are able to scan this QR code, you will be able to see this URL. After that you click on this, it will automatically open in the Chrome browser. In the just next moment I will show you how it is done in the mobile. Now I will show you how you can scan this QR code. So my phone already have the QR code enabled in the camera application. So here you can see that my camera application is able to detect the URL. You will click on this URL, it will automatically redirect to the page. That's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Signing off, Code of Duty.